The arrival of editable grids in Dynamics 365 has been a long-awaited victory for CRM users who have been waiting for this feature ever since the first release of Dynamics CRM. The editable grid control feature in Dynamics 365 allows for inline editing of records from any entity or any view. Since this is a new feature, it is something that you must enable in your customization area. So let's show you how to first enable this feature, and then we'll show you some of the powerful things that it can do for you. So in order to turn this functionality on, simply navigate to Settings and Customization, customize the system, then choose the area which you wish to enable this new functionality for. In this case, we're going to use the opportunity. So let's scroll down to the opportunity and make sure that you have focus on the primary node being that of opportunity. Once that loads, simply click on the Controls tab, and you can see you can enable the editable grid for the web browser, for the phone, or for the tablet, or all three. In this case, we're simply going to click the web browser, which is what we're going to be showing you the new feature in today. Once that has been turned on by selecting the option, simply hit Save and Publish. The next time your users sign into the system, they will see this new feature. So let's go take a look at this new feature. You would navigate to, in this case, let's take a look at the My Open Opportunities. In the past, if you were a salesperson who wished to edit the probability for your open opportunities, you would have to open up each and every one of your opportunities and edit the value for probability, save, close, reopen the next, and so forth. With this new functionality turned on, it's simply a matter of going in and editing your value to say what the likelihood or the probability is for these opportunities to close. And simply by changing those values in the actual grid, you're not having to open up each and every record, and it is saving as you tab off of the value. Another nice feature is you can group these by any one of the columns that are associated in the grid. In this case, let's group it by the probability. And so we can see we've got one that has a 0% probability, 60% grouping, and 80% grouping. I also can rearrange my columns in this grid. And let's say we want to move the probability over to one of the first columns, more easily seen. And you can actually now save these new orders and new groupings. If you like this, simply hit the Save, and then next time that you navigate back to your My Open Opportunities, you no longer have to go through and rearrange your grid. So let's go back to the My Open Opportunities, and you can see I still have my grouping, I still have probability on the left-hand side. And don't worry, you're not editing this for the rest of your coworkers' views. This is your personal preference anytime you navigate back to My Open Opportunities.